Happy Easter, everyone. I'm going to read you this Easter storybook. It is called Pete the Cat Big Easter Adventure by Kimberly and James Dean. Let's begin. Pete was excited. Pete was here. He couldn't wait for his basket of goodies. Jelly beans were his favorite. Oh, his basket, his basket was empty except for a note. Pete, please help find the eggs. Paint the eggs. Hide the eggs. Thanks, the Easter Bunny. P.S. Wear these. Pete put on the bunny ears and thought, a cat with ears like a bunny? Now that is funny! Happy Easter, chicken! Do you have any eggs today? Pete asked. I am helping the Easter bunny. Sure, brother. Pete, we have a lot of eggs, the chicken said. We are happy to help, but don't you need a bunny nose and fluffy bunny tail, brother? The chickens were right. A bunny nose and tail would be neat. And Pete's costume would be complete. Put on the nose and the tail like a bunny's. A cat dressed up like a bunny. Now that is funny. Now Pete was ready. It was getting late and he still had a lot of eggs to decorate. What colors would Pete use? Hmm. Bang, bang, bang. Hop, hop, hop. Off to the tool shed for paint and brushes. Pete couldn't wait to paint the eggs. Some eggs had one color, some eggs had two, and some eggs were red, and some eggs were blue. When the egg painting was done, Pete had a basket full of bright, colorful, amazing eggs. Now hiding them would be lots of fun. But where would Pete hide the eggs? Around the neighborhood for all his friends to find? Pete hid eggs in flower pots. He hid them in the water spout. And when he was done hiding the eggs, Pete the cat was all worn out. Helping others out is what Easter's all about, Pete said. His job was done. He was hiding the last one when the Easter Bunny arrived. Great job, Pete! You are a big help, said the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny gave Pete an award for a job well done. Helping others lots of can be lots of fun. Happy Easter, everybody! And that is the end of our story. Hmm. Ooh, this storybook comes with a poster. Let's see what is inside. I think what's really cool about this story book. This won't come out. Hmm. Oh, there goes. There goes. There goes nothing. Let me move this off. Ooh, whoa, this is really hard. Let me check if I can get it the other way. Hmm. Oh, there it is. Let me try and push it in. Okay. Oh, and it has stickers. Look, that's cool. Easters. Here are more. Hmm. I think what's really cool about the story is that Easter's about giving, loving, and supporting a family and friends. And I think that's what he was trying to do is be there for his friends, showing lots of love, a lot of encouragement, and being himself. I'm supposed to take this off. Let me see. Oh, it's stuck in there. Hmm. It says cat, eat the cat. I'm gonna find a way how to open this. If I rip it off, it's gonna look ugly. Let me try. Oh yeah. Okay. Here it is. Found my problem. Oh, bad idea. um, got it. Problem solved. Oh, look at this. And it says Pizza Cat Big Easter's Adventures. Oh, that's really cool. Really awesome. Well, let me bring out my buddies very quick and teach us about the story. So, what do you think about the story? Beat the Cat and the Easter Adventure, Mickey? Well, Beat the Cat was always trying to help the Easter Bunny. But why did they help the Easter Bunny? With what? You know, Minnie? Well, to save Easter. That's right. But what do you need to do in order to save Easter? Well, you gotta look like the Easter Bunny, so you need a costume. And what else you need in order to save Easter? Well, you need eggs that are colorful. So how did Pete do all that? Well, the Easter Bunny gave Pete a basket and East bunny ears. So where did Pete go? Well, he went to the chicken's house. And when he, for one, to get some eggs. Well, what did the chickens told him, Mickey? Do you know? Well, you need to have a nose and a tail to look like a bunny. And what else do you need? Well, what else do you need? Well, he needs paint to paint those eggs and they look colorful. So what did Pete do next? Well, he went to go get some big buckets of paint and he went to his house and he started painting all the eggs. But what was the next problem? He didn't know where to hide them, so he hid them, well, in his neighbors. sorry, in the neighbor's house, in the front, in the grass, everywhere. He was hiding all the eggs. Until then, well, who came? Easter Bunny has arrived, and he gave Pete a reward for a job well done. Why did he give him that award? For helping him with Easter. It was a very good story, and Pete got an Easter basket with full of eggs from the Easter Bunny. And that was the end of the story. So what's very important, well, for you, well, about the story? As what Pete did was good is he helped out the Easter Bunny. And he was so excited to help him out, so he did help him. He helped him out a lot! And he saved Easter! That's good what Pete the cat did. He's a very good friend to have. Right, Mickey? You're right, meaning you are correct. Well, what do you tell everyone at home? Well, we hope you had a lovely Easter with your family and your friends and the people who love you. So dream, beautiful boys and girls, sleep tight and don't let the dead bugs bite. Or even don't let the rotten egg bite. Okay, good night, everyone. We love you all. And don't forget to help out anyone who needs your help. But do not help a stranger. Help your family. Okay? Good night. We love you all. And happy Easter. Ta-ta. Ta-ta. Well, I think that was a very good story. And sorry for me taking forever. We'll try to get the poster out. But I think that Easter was really fun because we get to be with our family, with our friends, and the people that we love the most. Well, I'm going to show you guys some paintings I did. I did this painting for my mother for Easter. It was supposed to be a bunny, but it came out wrong, but it's okay. It looks like a rodent, but at least I do my best. And I love it. And I also did this painting for Autism Awareness Month, all the month of April. A cactus. And I did this lovely painting for my mother and my dad. Flower pot. Well, I did this painting for them because I love them very much. See, Easter is all about giving. It's all about having fun. It's all about supporting your family and being there for them. And I hope you all had fun with your family. And I know that we are all trying to stay strong and stay positive and trying to stay healthy in order to see our family members and our friends because it was really hard last year during the pandemic for Easter. But this year, everybody is still everybody needs to think positive and think of tomorrow, what to do next, what to do this week, what to do next month, and just be yourself. And I know you had a hard time, well, being with your family, with your friends, but what's really most important is that the heart wants. What the heart one is love, respect, and be yourself and support. And I show my paintings to all of you guys. I did my story time, and I know it's really hard to get to see family and friends because of COVID-19. But remember this: love. Now, this shirt, I got it for Autism Awareness Month. Got it from Walmart. And what this shirt signifies is it says love. Now, this is a puzzle piece, V and E. It means love. And I hope you all love the time that you spend with your family during Easter today and with your friends and the people who loved you the most. See, that's what we all gotta be is support, respect, not thinking negative things, not feeling stressed out. If you are feeling stressed out, just go outside and get some fresh air or hear some music. See, that's why I love Easter because I love to play with my next door neighbors, with the kids. I love to, run. I love to have fun with family. And that's what we did today. We went swimming in our swimming pool. We were playing and having so much fun together as a family. And that's what our family keeps us going. It's strong. Not to fight, but to keep us strong and our health better. I hope you all have a good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the dead bugs bite. Tomorrow me doing a story time, okay? And it's gonna be a very good one. And I did this story for Autism Awareness Month, and I did it last year. So good night, everyone. Hope you all have a lovely Easter with your family and your friends. Just stay healthy, everybody, and happy Easter and happy Autism Awareness Month.